today I'm going to be eating. And if you are screaming, it's my really annoying little brother. Hudson, stop it. Anyways, here's the stuff that I'm going to be eating. I like to find this. And there's like...
Hudson, shut it.
I think I found it. It's really cute. Oh, did I mention that this video is sponsored by Hello Panda candy? Yeah.
Look at it. It disappeared into actual nothing.
That whole time she was literally just sleeping in her bed on the floor.
Naya? Has she gone out today?
Yeah, I don't know. Like right before we left.
Actually, her and
Here's
Jules probably
the wrap.
didn't go
I
out.
know.
I can't believe how small these
Throw
got.
it in the trash.
Move your arm. I'm trying to do this and I don't want
What about
shells.
that one?
Look how small they got. I mean, look it. I know. I'm going to go back to show you what these look like to start. And you will be like, what in the heck?
This one's roller skating.
Look at.
Oh my gosh.
They're so small. Look at this one. This one was this one. Look at this. I mean, okay, it did like, but it's like half there.
Mommy, can I drink something?
No, that's mommy's.
I think it's skating. Sorry.
Haven, come look at all the rocks.
I'm gonna paint a few and see.
Okay, guys, give me a second.
Haven,
Make them more shiny.
come look at the rocks. They disappeared. They're so small.
Oh my.
Look at how big they were.
Oh. Okay.
I don't have the right polish.
They are so small. And they're not shiny.
What about this one? This.
Yes.
Well, I'm gonna see if this gel polish will make them shiny. I think that it may.
I think this one is either softball or cheering. This one.
I've done this before though, and these are not shiny.
This one's racing.
No, those parts are not shiny. They don't even look shiny.
What they're supposed to be. Could at least spell it, Megan. How rude. Come on, let's go potty. Come on. Come on, Naya.
Hope you enjoyed this video.